Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Clash of Clans tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can earn gems in Clash of Clans or how you can get gems in Clash of Clans. Basically there is multiple ways of getting gems. One of them, or the easiest one, is by farming these bushes in your village, which will give you around like 1 or 2 gems. It depends on your luck. So for example, let's farm these 4 bushes or trees and let's see how many they will give us. Some of them don't give any, but some of them will give you. For example, this one didn't give us anything, this one gave us 3, this one 4, and this one nothing as well. So this is the first way how to get your gems. The second one, which is you will find time to time like a bush full of gems. This one will give you about 20 or 24 gems, so make sure you farm it once you see it, because it will not spawn a lot. It will spawn once, and if you didn't farm it, it will not spawn again until you farm it. So every time you open the game, make sure to farm this bush, and to make sure that you will make the most gems out of it. And also I really suggest that you keep farming every bush in your clan, in your village. Don't leave any, so you will keep getting so much gems and not like miss anything. The second way to earn gems, which is by completing achievement. As you can see, there is a bunch of achievements in Clash of Clans. I've already completed a lot, like so. There is this one that gives you 20 and 100. This one gives you 500. This one gives 25, 20, 20, 200, 100, 850, and this 1000. So keep focusing on the best one that gives you the highest gems possible. And I really suggest you guys that you use your gems on workers instead of like upgrading stuff. So yeah, that's how you can get gems in Clash of Clans for free. And if you want to get them, like to buy them, you can just click on shop on this plus button, and you can buy them just like so, and put in your card details and buy them like everything on the internet. So yeah, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.